Hello everybody, Drew with Drew's Roofing and Home Repair. And yes, I'm hard at work today. Working for a friend that I met and we've become friends, and he has a mobile home that has issues. Doesn't have a lot of money, so I'm helping him out one day a week. I want to show you guys a tip. This is going to be one of the best tips you ever seen. I guarantee it. I've done it before. I recommend that you go down to Lowe's or Home Depot and buy yourself some of this. Pretty easy. Mold and mildew, 30-second professional. We're gonna take a quick picture of this, and then I'm gonna spray a little bit of this on there and see what happens. I'm gonna let that sit for a while and come back and take another look. I can already see a change, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray the rest of it. Give it one good coat. This is pretty bad. You can see it's bad. So if your bathroom ceiling looks like this, you can fix it pretty easily. Pretty easy to do. Just remember though, anything down below, fingers getting tired. Want to make sure that you don't have anything on your floor, because this stuff drips on it. Remember, it's bleach. My fingers are tired, so I'm gonna hold off. Look at that, I can already see a difference. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, I like it. Go buy some. I didn't spray it all, my fingers got tired. Let's come back here in a few minutes. Look at that already, goodness gracious.